Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I will be doing a website walkthrough of our recent project. And this is Panama Dragonfly, and this website has been completed last month. It was a Shopify store setup project, and the owner reached out to us because she wanted to start selling online. She wanted to start drop shipping, and she wasn't sure 100% what kind of attire she will pick, but she knew she wanted to tie it in with her Panama heritage. She was originally from Panama, and she knew she wanted either source products directly from Panama, for example, some kind of handmade jewelry, or sell drop shipped items. This person was very busy, is very busy. She's working full time, and she basically wanted to help uh, with complete setup, products picking, content creation, and obviously setup of all the platforms, payment, social media, email marketing, and so on. So I started by picking up the appropriate theme. So it's a Brooklyn theme, and I wanted to pick it because of the visual sliding image, so the featured images at the top, and those images were sourced from stock Adobe. So Adobe stock has a library of high quality images, and I wanted to build this kind of Panama branding, this kind of a little bit ethical, little bit ethnic and tribal, but also show that this store is stocking clothing, jewelry, and accessories in this kind of tribal theme. So all the colors, the logo, all reflect this kind of greenery of Panama, tropics, and obviously they are associated with the Panama, with the dragonfly as well. So these products are all within the tribal ethnic niche. They are being sourced from AliExpress, Alibaba, and I helped the customer to obviously import them through Oberlo. I also helped with product titles, set them up, product descriptions, pricing, and so on. So all these elements are how customer envisioned the website to have. She had an example of the website, another Shopify store that she liked the look of, and she wanted to have the sliding images, then featured products, then featured collections. So all those collections have assigned and optimized images, so they look very nice put together. Even if the owner wanted to change the collections around, the relevant images would still look nice because they are all assigned to the collections. They are all within the same within same sizes, so they will be looking professional. So this is nice element, obviously all within the color theme, a link into about us, when the store was established, a few blog posts as well, and the sign up element. This form is linked to MailChimp via an external app. So this is a collection. All the footer elements are here, so it's easy to navigate through the website. You don't have to scroll all the way up, so this is really important. I also created social media profiles for the customer, Facebook and Instagram, and also created video tutorials on how to post, what kind of content to post to obviously engage with the followers and bring more traffic. So this was all within the Shopify store setup package. So these are collection pages. As I mentioned, all have assigned images, all look very nice within the store. And because the store was launched in August, we obviously there was change of seasons in the USA. So although we added a little bit of summer collections, I focused mainly on the fall items because of the transition towards fall. So I added jackets and obviously skirts and outerwear and so on. So these are all ethnic tribal accessories and clothing and attire, and obviously all have uh, all have optimized product titles and product descriptions as well. Shipping and delivery policy was also added. The free shipping, the color theme is obviously carried throughout the website. All the pages are optimized with the hashtags, SEO friendly hashtags, all of the necessary information, how to contact customer and so on. Obviously frequently asked questions as well, so this is really helpful. So this is a contact us page, blog page as well. And this is important to add this kind of short introduction to every page, even contact us page. Don't leave your visitors guessing what to do next. So it's important to really lead your visitors by the hand throughout every single stage of your website, from the home page through product pages, through their supporting content such as contact us, about us page, and so on. So they take action and they end up obviously buying from you. So they end up going through the checkout. I also made sure that the checkout has one page, so it's very simplified. Um, the payment gateways chosen by customer, I believe, was Shopify payments and PayPal. So they were all integrated as well. And website had a first order before we even stop the project, before we even finished the project. So there was someone bought set of bracelets, and they paid for the bracelets, although the item didn't even have product descriptions. They just have like two words as a product description, saying product description as a template. So I emailed the customer and I said, I'm really sorry, but the website is still in development. We are still working. And would you be happy to either get an exchange item? So I sent few alternatives, obviously from AliExpress, but I didn't really mention they were from AliExpress. Or would you rather go for a refund? So customer decided to go for a refund at this stage. I had to disable add to cart for the time being before the launch, and on the day of the launch, it was last Friday, so it was week ago. This same customer came back on the same day and purchased and placed another order, much bigger. They ordered a tunic and set of bracelets. So obviously they became the first customer twice. So this website proved to be converting right away. This niche is very profitable, and I know there was a number of orders since the launch last week. There is plenty of engagement on social media, and the customer isn't really even running any Facebook ads or paid promotion. She's just posting regularly on Facebook and on Instagram, but because her items are very attractive, they get a lot of attention. They are quite unique, and she's been consistent with the niche, which is also vital. So if you are thinking about starting selling online, if you need advice and are not sure where to start, please get in touch. I specialize in working with brand new online store owners with Shopify, and I can help guide you through the process through video tutorials, I can help set up new theme of your choice. Obviously, create the branding through images, design strong navigation so the store converts right away, optimizing with the keywords so it brings converting traffic from the start, and obviously help you guide how to post on social media so you bring traffic from Facebook, bring traffic from Instagram, and start selling from day one. So the link to the Shopify store setup is in the video and on the page. And obviously email me with any questions. If you like this video, please click like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Shopify SEO and redesign tips. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.